So from this bag I've gotten these two small ones, and then hold on, let me, yeah, so these two small ones, and then this one. This is the biggest potato so far. Look at that, man. That's a big potato. That's a potato you can survive on for a week. Okay, maybe not, but yes. So let's see if there's anything else. I don't think there's anything else from this bag. Oh, there is. Look at that. Okay, but it's small. But still, I'm so impressed. So 4 so far. Oh, it's another one. I doubt there are any more, but I hope I'm proven wrong. Oh, 8. So 8 potatoes from that one bag. I don't think there's any more here, honestly. Umoh, he's not as big as I thought, but he's big. This is a normal sized potato, compared to this other one. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah, not bad. 9 potatoes from one bag.
Not one bag, one stem.
Yeah, one stem. Because each... Yeah, and very unkind weather. Kugware. Hey, there's another one!
Where?
10!
Yeah.
There we go. There's another one. The weather has changed. It looks like it's gonna rain, and I hope it does. So this bag, I don't remember when I planted it, but I can see some are already rotten. I left it too long. For example, this one of the smaller ones. This is kind of rotten. So that's manure. And yeah, but these ones seem okay. That one is kind of big. Whoa! That's a huge one. That's a nice one. That's like the other one, you see? So I have 2 nice. It's actually bigger than the other one. Yeah, so oh my gosh, when will I post these videos? Just having so much fun taking footage of harvests. Oh, you see, that one is rotten. So I have 2 rotten ones in this bag, and this was just one plant, literally one potato. Yeah, I thought I was doing a good thing putting 1 potato per bag. Again, this is a mistake. Do not make the same mistakes I made. I implore you, be wiser. Learn from my mistakes. Learn from my mistakes. On the bright side, I have a lot of extra soil because that bag is gone. I can actually use this soil to fill up my one ginger plant here. The others are doing well. So, oh, look at those worms. So many worms. If you're out there and you're looking for worms, please come talk to me. Send me an email. DM me on Twitter. Okay, not on Twitter. I'm not on Twitter as myself. So you may not be able to find me, but yeah. That's not bad. There was like 3 big ones and 2 rotten ones. 3 big ones and 2 rotten ones. So that's all I got from this bag, which is slightly disappointing. Okay, the thing about getting bigger potatoes is definitely true. Like if you put 1 plant per bag, but it's not really cost effective. I'm not trying to win a competition or whatever. I'm genuinely just trying to grow food which I can eat, which I know does not have weird chemicals, you know. So yeah, that's basically it. Ants. Oh dear. Let me wash them off you, man. There's a worm here which appears to be... ants are eating it. Just wanna see if I can save it. It feels so weird on my hand. Oh my god.